Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix investment properties with BiggerPockets, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by researching your investment property. Utilize the BiggerPockets forum to gather insights and advice. Connect with other investors to share experiences and strategies. Assess the current condition of the property. Identify which areas need repairs or improvements. Create a detailed checklist of all necessary upgrades. Prioritize your list based on urgency and budget constraints. Establish a clear budget for your renovations. Include both labor and material costs in your budget. Seek multiple quotes from contractors to ensure competitive pricing. Review contractor credentials and past work for quality assurance. Once you select a contractor, communicate your vision clearly. Set a timeline for the completion of the project. Ensure regular check-ins throughout the renovation process. Document all changes and improvements made to the property. This information will be valuable for future investments. After renovations, assess the property's new market value. Use BiggerPockets tools to analyze potential rental income. Reevaluate your investment goals based on the upgraded property. Consider refinancing or selling as your next steps. Stay engaged with the BiggerPockets community for ongoing support. Keep learning from others' successes and challenges. Utilize the resources available on BiggerPockets to further enhance your investment strategy. Track your expenses and returns for future reference. Always seek ways to improve your process as you gain experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.